Mm.
Good morning, students. Today we have discussed about the plant physiology. Okay, what do you mean by plant physiology? Plant, do you know? Physiology means it will be. We have read about we have studied about what are the activities done in by plant. Okay, introduction. Animal move in search for food. You know that, no? Animals, they have to move for the food. Plants, it will move? No, it is not, no chance. But it also prepare their own food. That you know that. That purpose only we have today we studied the touch me plant botanical name is Miasma pudica. Okay. In that way, these plants and animals are formed in what are the physiological activities done, what will we do, what are the botanical names, what are the active movements it will be formed, everything we have read in this lesson. Okay. Usually animal plant do not move on their body parts for getting sunlight, but it will be stand in that same place, water and everything. So it is need for the external factors and gravity, temperature, light, everything it will be need. Okay. So in that purpose only physiological activity is done. Next, tropism in plants. Tropism, what do you mean by tropism? Mean nothing but it is such about stimuli only. Okay. Tropism is undirectional movement of a whole or of the part of the plant fully or some other parts. Okay, for example, root or stem or leaf, any one part it will be. So sometimes it's whole body of the plant, it will be moved. Because of the stimuli. What is the stimuli is there? Maybe it need a water, it need a sunlight, it need a chemical reaction, anything it will be moved. So this stimuli is what are the stimuli? What are the example of the stimuli means? The stimuli means maybe stimuli is a example, water is one of the stimuli and chemical is the one of the stimuli. Geotrophism is a stimuli and chemical is a stimuli. These are the stimulus. Okay. Based on this stimuli, the tropism are classified into 5 points. What are they? First one is phototropism. What is that? Phototropism. Okay. Movement of the plant part towards the light. So that is called phototropism. This plant, it is moved from, I already told, stimuli means water, light, like that I told. First we have see about the light, that is a phototropism. Photo means, you know that the photo means light, tropism means stimuli. So phototropism means movement of a plant towards the light, it is called as a phototropism. Example, shoot of the plant. Next is geotropism. Geotropism under the ground. Okay, movement of the plant, it is responsible for the gravitation. Where it is a root, it is there under the that is root of the plant. Okay, next hydrotropism, the movement of the plant for the water towards the water. Hydro means water, H2O. Hydro, water, tropism, stimuli. Name itself with the meaning is there. So plant move from the where is the water is there towards where water is there, that it will be moved. So you know that you have to pour the water from the plant where is water present. If sometimes 2 or 3 days you didn't pour the water from the plant, means it will be move from the where it is water under the ground is there, that way it will be moving and suck the water and the plant will move, will be grow. That only I told. Okay, understood? Clearly you have to understand. So next, fourth one is thymotropism. Movement of the plant for the due to the touch, it is called as the thymotropism. So example is the climbing of the vines. Okay, so only for the climbing trees, not only normal plant. Climbing trees only it is need for that. Next, chemotropism, movement of the chemical. Chemo means chemical, tropism means stimuli. Movement of the part of the plant is responsible for the chemical, it is called as the chemotropism. So example is the growth of the plant. Okay, next we go for the tropism. It is a generally two term we are saying. What are the term? One is the positive. What is that? One is positive and next one is negative. You know that now there are two. So nowadays corona is formed in the world. So positive and negative, you hear that this word every day in the news paper and the TV channel. Are you all of them, they hear positive or negative, positive corona or negative. So that like that. So the same way the plants also having positive and negative. Okay, So positive signal is there means that is a positive phototropic. What is the part positive? So if it is we can negative means the corona will be the virus. What is the virus? COVID-19 is there means that is a negative. So normally we didn't get the COVID-19 means we are alive. So that is a positive character. That same way unwanted things is COVID-19. So you don't get from the COVID-19. That same way, unwanted whatever the present in the plant means that is negatively changed. But wantedly, what is the need from the plant growth? That is first one is light. What is that? Light. And the second one is what? Water. Sunlight, you know that no water. So then next way you need from the water. This and all positive. It shows to the positively from phototropic. Are you understood clearly? So this we call as a positive phototropic. So once again I can clearly understand plant physiology means what are the activities we need from the plant physiology, and then we have a read about the some other botanical name of that touch me plant, miasma putica, and another thing we can read there are what it mean by tropism. Tropism is nothing but tropism is the undirectional movement of the whole part of the plant. Okay, so that is the direction of the stimuli. Which direction? The types of tropism, it is 5 is there. One is the phototropism and chemotropism and hydrotropism and thymotropism. So these are the tropism and positive negative. That's well done, you have to read about that. So it is a positive negative charge. I will clearly explain one example. You have two plant in your hand, having one plant you have to keep in the outside, that you have to give for all that things. What are the things? Water, you have daily you pour the water and sun. If proper sunlight it will be shows there in the plant, and it will be move, it will be growth very correctly. So another one plant you kept inside the home, you didn't pour the water, it didn't get the sunlight. What will be happen? Can you say? Yeah, well, all the positive water and sunlight getting plant, it will be grown nicely. But it did inside, you have to keep in the plant, it not a growth, it will be died. So this is the example of one is outside grown as a positive phototropism, and inside is there because of the light, it didn't grow, but you pour water. But what are the outside grow plant you have to give, that everything same you have to give in this side, but it didn't grow. Why? Because of the sunlight it didn't get. Understood clearly? So this inside plant having negative phototropism, the outside plant is the positive phototropism. Clearly you have to know that. So in this method you have to clearly, you got idea, no? Okay, clear students? Okay, we pass on to the next one. Okay, so next one is usually shoot system. What is the shoot system present in that? Say shoot system of your plant is positively phototropic and negatively geotropic. Okay, ba? So you know that shoot means under the ground only having. So root is having, root will be grow downward and the plant will grow the upward. This only we call it as the, what is the plant shoot system? It is a plant system. Okay, you know that in the first standard itself you have a study from the plant. Leaf, this is leaf, this is a root, this is shoot, this and all you have to study very well. That only I told. Okay, so that it is a good example for the negative phototropism for the shoot and root. Okay, understood? Negative phototropism having positive geographic but negative what? Phototropic, and you clearly understood it. Okay, so this only example. Next we have go for the nastic movement. What is that? Nastic movement. What do you mean by nastic movement? It is a 2-mark question. Nastic movements are the non-directional responsible of the plant, a part of the plant to the stimulus. So that is we call it as a nastic movement. The nastic movement also classified as follows. What are the first one is we can take from the photonasty. What is that? Photonastic. Photonasty means minimum movement of the part of the plant is responsible to light. Example, one botanical name is Taraxnum and officiola. Blooms in the morning and glows in the evening. Similarly, it is the moon for open into the night and close during the day. Okay, wow. So in the plant what will be doing now? Morning it will be closed and the blooms are only from the morning session and evening it will be closed. Okay, are you clearly understood?